Auto Trends, welcome back, and today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury cars on the planet, the all-new 2026 BMW 7 Series. This is not just a facelift or a minor update, this is BMW making a bold statement about where luxury, technology, and performance are heading in the next decade. The 7 Series has always been the flagship of BMW, a car designed to showcase everything the brand is capable of, and the 2026 model takes that philosophy to a whole new level. At first glance, the 2026 BMW 7 Series commands attention like few cars can. The design is unapologetically bold, with BMW doubling down on its futuristic and luxury-forward styling language. The iconic kidney grille is larger, more illuminated, and more sculpted than ever, instantly giving the car a powerful road presence, especially at night. Slim, split LED headlights sit above advanced matrix lighting units, giving the front end a sharp, almost concept car-like appearance. From the side, the long wheelbase, clean shoulder line, and flush door handles emphasize elegance and aerodynamic efficiency, while the rear features sleek LED tail lamps connected by a chrome or gloss black strip that screams premium sophistication. Step inside the 2026 BMW 7 Series, and it feels less like a car and more like a luxury lounge on wheels. BMW has focused heavily on rear seat comfort, understanding that many 7 Series owners prefer to be chauffeured. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials, including high-grade leather, sustainable wood trims, brushed metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting that transforms the interior depending on your mood. The seats are multi-contour, heated, ventilated, and massage-enabled, ensuring absolute comfort whether you're driving or relaxing in the back. One of the standout features inside the 2026 7 Series is the massive BMW theater screen for rear passengers. This ultra-wide, high-resolution display drops down from the roof and turns the rear cabin into a private cinema. With integrated streaming apps, surround sound audio, and customizable viewing angles, long journeys feel shorter and far more enjoyable. BMW has also refined its curved display up front, combining a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen that runs the latest iDrive system, faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 BMW 7 Series. The latest iDrive system features advanced voice control, gesture commands, and AI-based personalization that learns your habits over time. From seat settings to climate preferences and navigation routes, the car adapts to you. The augmented reality head-up display projects navigation arrows and driving information directly onto the windshield, blending the digital and real world seamlessly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates that keep the car's software fresh and future-proof. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 7 Series offers a range of powertrains designed to suit different driving preferences while maintaining BMW's signature performance feel. Buyers can choose from refined turbocharged petrol engines, powerful plug-in hybrid options, and a fully electric variant that pushes the boundaries of luxury EVs. The petrol and hybrid models deliver smooth, effortless acceleration, while the electric version offers instant torque, whisper-quiet operation, and impressive driving range, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance cruising. The driving experience of the 2026 7 Series is where BMW truly shines. Despite its large size, the car feels surprisingly agile thanks to advanced suspension systems, rear-wheel steering, and adaptive dampers. The ride quality is exceptionally smooth, gliding over rough roads with ease, yet when pushed, the car remains composed and confident. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising at high speeds on the highway, the 7 Series delivers a perfect balance between comfort and dynamic handling. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2026 BMW 7 Series are nothing short of cutting edge. The car is equipped with an advanced suite of sensors, cameras, and radar systems that support semi-autonomous driving functions. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and automated parking make daily driving easier and less stressful. BMW has also improved its night vision system and collision avoidance technology, ensuring maximum protection for both occupants and pedestrians. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 BMW 7 Series is how customizable it is. Buyers can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, wheel designs, interior themes, and luxury packages to create a car that truly reflects their personality. From executive-focused rear seat packages to sportier M Sport trims, the 7 Series can be tailored to suit different lifestyles, whether you value comfort, performance, or cutting-edge technology. In terms of competition, the 2026 BMW 7 Series goes head-to-head with luxury heavyweights like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Audi A8, and even ultra-luxury offerings from brands like Lexus and Genesis. What sets the BMW apart is its unique blend of driving pleasure and high-tech luxury. While some rivals focus purely on comfort, BMW ensures that the 7 Series remains engaging to drive, staying true to its ultimate driving machine philosophy even at the top end of the luxury spectrum. Efficiency and sustainability have also been given more attention in the 2026 model. BMW has incorporated more eco-friendly materials in the interior and improved the efficiency of its engines and electric systems. The plug-in hybrid and electric variants significantly reduce emissions while still delivering the performance and luxury expected from a flagship sedan. This shows BMW's commitment to a more sustainable future without compromising on quality or driving experience. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is not just a car, it is a showcase of BMW's vision for the future of luxury mobility. It combines bold design, state-of-the-art technology, exceptional comfort, and thrilling performance into one cohesive package. Whether you're a business executive, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the new 7 Series offers something truly special. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2026 BMW 7 Series sets a new benchmark in the full-size luxury sedan segment. It's confident, innovative, and unmistakably BMW. This car doesn't just compete with its rivals, it challenges them to step up their game. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that delivers comfort, performance, and future-ready technology in equal measure, the 2026 BMW 7 Series deserves to be at the very top of your list. Stay tuned with Auto Trends for more exciting automotive content, and we'll see you in the next one.